Nice. 7600s. Whoa, 4 of them.
4 of them.
Oh man, you're doing 60s.
Now I've got the other 2 in next week.
Yeah.
For the Rucker show coming up.
Yep.
Wow. And they got the CMAX, 90 amp hour CMAX in there.
Nice. How many alternators?
Just one.
No.
1270. Yep.
Wow. Okay.
1270. It needs more.
Yeah.
I got a second one coming.
Yeah.
And cause it's on that battery hard.
Yeah.
I guess it was that right.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Okay.
He's cooling off for a minute.
Yeah.
He was just demoing hard. Wow. Woo. Yeah.
Demo, Jacob.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah,
even though I done broke the damn 45 in her, bro, I'm still gonna give you a demo.
I was walking by and she's like, come over.
I got to do it. I still got to give you a demo now.
Yes, sir. Don't want to miss it.
Listen, it is not going to sound the best because you are going to hear the rattling and the destroying of the damn box.
As long as it ain't a sub or an amp or some form of electrical mechanism, it should be okay. It'll just sound output-wise bad. Dude, that is a lot louder than last time you had the 415s, I remember.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. And you know what? and I gave shouts out. I gave shouts out to my boy down in Montgomery, which was Brandon Yates.
Yeah.
And then I want to thank you too for everything that you did for me.
Yes, sir.
Let me know if I did this and to do that.
Yep.
Do this to the bill, do that to the bill. It wouldn't be like this.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
hey, you learn as we go. That's all we can do.
Big thanks up to you, bro.
You're welcome,
big
man.
thanks up to both of y'all,
yes,
man.
Sir. You're welcome.
All I did was put it together, but y'all gave me the y'all gave me the secret ingredient.
Yes, sir. That's right.
To this wall.
Yes,
and that's real talk, bro. I
You're
swear
welcome.
to God, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Right now, I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable. Grab your loved ones.
nice.
It's all good. I appreciate it, man.
It'll
Hey,
be really nice.
thank you for the demo, dude.
was-
Holy smokes!
I've been looking for you for the longest, man, to come over here. But y'all know, it's so much stuff going
There's a
on
lot.
out here. You
There's
know what
a
I'm
lot.
saying?
Yeah.
It's crazy out here.
I bet you did. What? Let me guess. When you burnt it, what'd you get? 60, 61? What'd you get out of it?
A 60.2. But that was with me just half playing with it.
Yes,
though.
sir. Yep.
I didn't even put everything into it.
Okay.
I was gonna go meet her today
Yeah.
to see how I was doing.
Okay.
But
Yes, sir.
I know I can get 62, 63
Yeah.
out of it easy.
Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you, JD.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Privilege.
Good up, Jacob.
Thank you. You're welcome, man.
All right, Jessica, take it easy.
Yeah. Have a good day, man.
Started fucking. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow the lead. Started fucking. Just follow the lead.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.